Hello, welcome to DelftStack. Today, we are going to fix the DPC Watchdog Violation error on Windows 11. First, try disconnecting all external devices from your computer. This includes USB drives, webcams, printers, or any other peripherals. Once everything is unplugged, restart your PC. Sometimes this error is caused by a device that is not working correctly. Next, we need to update your drivers. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Look for any device with a yellow warning sign. Focus on updating drivers for your graphics card, network adapters, and chipset. It is best to get the latest drivers from the official website of your hardware manufacturer. After that, run a system scan to check for corrupted files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type sfc scannow. This scan will find and repair any broken system files that might cause the error. Another step is to disable Fast Startup. Open Control Panel, go to Power Options, and click on Choose what the power buttons do. Then uncheck Turn on Fast Startup and save the changes. This setting sometimes causes conflicts during boot and can trigger the DPC Watchdog error. Finally, think about any software or hardware you installed right before the error appeared. Uninstall these programs or remove the hardware. Follow these steps carefully, and your Windows 11 system should start running without the DPC Watchdog violation. Thanks for watching.